Today, we'll be learning about the fundamentals of probability. I'll be breaking down key concepts and formulas step by step. So let's get started. Axioms of probability. Probability theory is based on the three main axioms. These are the three rules that every probability function must satisfy. The first one is axiom. This one is non-negativity. And this one is normalizations. And the last one is additivity axioms. The first one is the first axioms ensures probabilities are never negative. The second states that the probability of the entire sample space or everything that could have possible happen is 1. The third axiom is mutually exclusive events. They can't happen at the same time, so we just add their probabilities. The second one is basic probability rules. Using this action, we derive some basic rules that are helpful in solving problems. The first one that I write is complement rule. The second one is inclusive and exclusion. The complement rule is let us calculate the probability on an event not happening. The inclusions ex- the inclusions exclusions adjust for overlap between two events. The third formula is conditional probability. Now, let's talk about conditional probability. This tells us the probability of an event A is occurring given that event B has occurred. Conditional probability is like zooming into the part of the sample space where B happens and asking what's the chance of A happens in that space. The fourth formulas that I teach to you is multiplication rule. Using conditional probability, we can calculate the joint probability of two events A and B. Our next probability or next formulas is law of total probability. This law helps us break down a probability in simpler pieces, especially when the sample space is divided into parts. This one is we use this when we know probabilities to partitions of the sample space, B1 and B2, and calculates A's probability piece by piece. Our next formulas is Bayes' theorem or Bayes' theorem. Now we come to Bayes' theorems, a powerful tool to reverse conditional probabilities. Bayes rules or Bayes rules. This theorem is like updating your beliefs. If A has occurred, it helps you figure out how likely each B was responsible for it. Our next formulas is independence. Two events are independent if knowing one doesn't change the probability of the other. This is the formula. Independence probability. If A if A is B independent, the joint probability is just the product of their individual probabilities.